Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know I am rusty filming when I forget to put my phone on airplane mode and lose half of my plan with me. I wanted to cry, but then I remembered that the first sticker that I put down on my planner this week was this one that says, "Talk to yourself like someone you love." And I have to remember that it's not the end of the world. It is okay. I should be a little more forgiving and nicer to myself, but now I will not make that mistake again. And I will definitely be putting my phone on do not disturb, airplane, all the things so that nothing interrupts my filming. So that'll be that going forward. And yeah, I really wanted to show, which I'm glad this didn't get cut off because I wanted to show how using a sticker kit, you can turn any planner pretty much into out of one usable, even if the dates are totally off. Because this right here is like July and July 2022, and I'm using it for the first week, second week of January. What am I even saying? Anyway, here I am putting down my little date numbers. My dates are all crooked, but again, I'm just being a little more forgiving with myself. All I want to do is put my plans down, make it look cute. I don't know what happened towards the weekend. It just kind of got all wobbly. But yeah, I feel like my planning style hasn't changed too much since, I don't know, the very beginning, like years ago when I would use like an Erin Condren, because my sidebars all look exactly the same. I always have a little place to put dinners. I have my habit trackers. I've got my currently reading. I swear it's looked like this for years and years. And then I put a little bit of washi and then I move on to the week. So I am writing down my to-dos. I'm using two different pens. I'm gonna link these down in the description because I can't remember what they look like, but I love using them on this Hobonichi paper. I'm using the Hobonichi Cousin, so obviously that paper is super thin. I Side note, I have not flipped through these stickers in so long, but I want to use a bunch of stickers that I've been accumulating for I don't know, 6, 7 years that I've been planning. So that's why I pulled out my albums, and I'm going to try to start using more stickers from different shops. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, the pen. I love how it writes. I feel like you can hardly see it bleeding through the page. It doesn't really bleed through, but I feel like it's impossible to not see a pen on the other side of these papers. It's just impossible. And so I love how this one writes. It's not permanent though, so then I switched to my Pilot, which they feel the same. They feel super close to the same. And so it just kind of it looks like the same pen in the planner, but it's not. So I use my Pilot for the stickers since it's on vinyl and you have to use a permanent pen. And then I use this unnamed one for my Hobonichi Cousin, which I'm going to go ahead and link below so you guys know. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fill out my week for as long as this video films and then show you at the end what it all looks like. I'm coming down to like the very end when it all got cut off, but you guys can kind of see a little bit of what my planning looked like. I hope to do better next week and show you a full plan with me a little longer than this one. And I totally forgot to mention that I'm using the January subscription stickers, which renew tomorrow. I'm so bad at using and showing off my own stickers, but I really wanted to use this for January since I just feel like it has such a beginning of the year feel with all the like motivational quotes. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. I promise to do better next week. And let me show you just a quick overview of how it turned out.